Hello guys, welcome to Niger Tech. Today, without wasting your time, I want to show you how you can make a free international phone call to any network, any phone line, to any country. What you need is an application called Free Global Wi-Fi Phone Calls. So if you're using an iPhone or iPad, you can search it on your App Store, or if you're using Android, you can search it on your Google Store. So once you get this app downloaded on your phone, then you go straight ahead and open it. So once you open it, the first page that will appear will be here, I think. But if it's not here, just try to click on the credits part at the down right hand side. You will see where its credit is written. Just click there to get credits. So now you have so many options to get free credits. You can watch a video and ad to get a free credit, or you can download some apps, recommended apps to get some huge credits too, or you can spin. Maybe it's gonna be your lucky day. Thank you so much, guys. I think I've helped you out now, so please consider subscribing. Thank you, and see you next time in my next video. Bye.